In this video, I'll show you how to fix the game not saving problem in 2025 using a simple Windows security setting. Open the Windows security, click on open it, select the virus and threat protection, scroll down and select manage settings under virus and threat protection settings and scroll down. Under control folder access, select this manage controlled folder access. Make sure it is turned on control folder access and select this allow an app through controlled folder access and select the yes option and select add an allowed app and select browse all apps. Now you just need to navigate to the game folder. After you are in the game folder, select the game application and select the open option and the game has been added to this list. Now just close off here and restart the game and your saving issue should be fixed. Thanks for watching. If this fix worked for you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful PC guides.